Hi, my dear students. In this session, we discuss about LED. What is full form of LED? Light emitting diode. This is one of the modern diode using PN junction diode. Now, introduction to LED. The light emitting diode was invented by Nick Hollenack in 1962. LED is a special form of PN junction diode. It is designed under the forward bias condition. It is converts the electrical energy into light energy. LEDs are produced in a variety of shapes and sizes. LEDs are quite effective and efficient for colored light application. Next, before going to light emitting diode diagram, we discuss about definition of LED. Light emitting diode is an electronic device that emits light when an electrical current is passes through it. It is commonly used for indicator lights such as power on off lights on electronic devices. And what is working principle of LED? Light emitting diode is a semiconductor light source device. It is a PN junction diode that emits light when activated under the forward bias condition. When a suitable voltage is applied to the diode, electrons are able to recombine with the holes within the devices, releasing energy in the form of photons. That is the working principle of LED. Now coming to light emitting diode diagram, in this slide displayed diagrams, the normal diagram of LED, they have two terminals, one is a anode, one is a cathode. Anode is purely related to the p-type material, cathode is purely related to the n-type material. What is p-type material, what is n-type material? P-type material and n-type materials are known as extrinsic semiconductor. You know, to design any device, extrinsic semiconductors are very useful. So with the help of a special fabrication technology, the p-type material and n-type material are combined. They combine, and suddenly between them one junction is exist, that is called diffusion layer. So this is the universal diagram or symbol of LED. And the second diagram is symmetric diagram of LED. The parts of the diagrams are long terminal is indicated positive, short terminal is indicated negative also. So in this diagram, outermost lens is there to protect the diode, and also semiconductor die is there, anvil and cathode anode. Long terminal acts as a anode, short terminal acts as a cathode. Now construction and working of LED. A semiconducting material used in LED is gallium arsenide and gallium phosphorus or gallium arsenide phosphorus. These are material combination of materials to design LEDs. The color of the light changes with the change in the materials, and LED working under the forward bias condition. Now, coming to construction, the electrons are majority carriers in N side. Similarly, the holes are majority carriers in P side. Because of in P type material, holes are majority charge carriers. In case of N type, electrons are majority charge carriers. That is called extrinsic semiconductor properties. Thus, the electrons recombine with the hole, they have to lose some part of energy to fall in a lower energy band in the form of heat or light. Okay, in case electrons in silicon and germanium lose their energy in the form of heat only, so they are not used for the LEDs. Thus we want to semiconductor it has gallium phosphorus and gallium arsenide and gallium arsenide phosphorus. Their electrons lose energy in the form of light. So gallium phosphorus emitted green light, and gallium arsenide phosphorus gives yellow color, and gallium arsenide phosphorus red also, and gallium nitride like that white color, blue color, and another color also exhibited. These are combination of colors change the color also. Now, what are the advantages of LEDs? It is a solid state light source and low voltage and longer life and fast on off switching. It is a low power device. What are the applications? As a power indicator, it is acts as a power indicators, and also to design 7 segment displays, and it is used to railway signals, traffic signals, and etc. And it is used as a music player devices also, and LED TVs, and display digital numbers and letters also. These are some important applications of LEDs.